Hey, welcome back to Chef Dawg. Okay, we're kind of have this kick going right now with our garden because we've been growing a bunch of stuff, and I'm making, we make homemade pizza now. I didn't realize how easy it was to make pizza sauce. So we got peeled Roma tomatoes. I'm gonna drain the water out of this, or the juice out of there a little bit, because I don't want my, this is just me personally, I don't want my pizza sauce super runny. Like it a little thicker. But this is all the recipe calls for. I do a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and then I do a half a teaspoon of basil. Again, I do another half a teaspoon of salt. That's it. This is my pizza tomato sauce. And then you take it, just mush it up with your hand. This took me, I don't know, boiling the tomato, or peeling the tomatoes, doing all this. It probably took me less than, I don't know, 5 minutes. That's what we're gonna use for our sauce on our pizza. That's it. So just like that, I've got pizza sauce. Now again, it goes a long ways because you don't put a ton on there because you don't want to get your pizza all soggy wet, but that goes a long ways. We're gonna do 4 of them. That'll be plenty. These are my ingredients. Italian seasoning, basil, and salt. Okay, remember here at Chef Dawg, we like to review Costco stuff normally, but right now we're on a kick because of our garden, which we love gardening. That's awesome, right? So should you. Okay, hey, thanks for watching Chef Dawg and have a good one. Bye.